Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at adding our self-signed PKI to the Linux Trusted Certificate Store. To get started, launch XCA and log into your existing PKI database. Select the Certificates tab, then expand the root CA. Right-click the intermediate CA and select Export and then File. Set the target path and file name and make sure the export format is set to pem.crt. Then click OK. Repeat the steps to export the root CA as well. Now that we've exported our root and intermediate certificate authorities, we need to copy the files to our Linux host. Open a web browser and download the WinSCP client. Navigate to your downloads directory and extract the downloaded zip file. Then launch WinSCP.exe. When prompted, create a new session by entering the host name, username, and password to connect to your Linux host. In the left pane of WinSCP, navigate to where you saved your exported root and intermediate certificates. Then drag and drop them to the right pane to copy them to the Linux host. Next, connect to the Linux host via SSH. I'll be using PuTTY in this example. We'll use the makedir command to create a new subfolder in the CA certificates directory. Then we'll copy the exported root and intermediate certificates into the new self-signed subfolder. With the certificate files in place, we'll run the update CA certificates command to tell the Linux host to check for new and changed certificates. When the command completes, we should see that our 2 new certificates were added. And if we list out the contents of the etc SSL search directory, we'll see that our certificates have been added. Next, we'll take a look at adding our self-signed certificate authority so SSL certificates will be trusted in the web browser. The exact steps will vary based on which browser you're using, but the overall process will be the same. Open your web browser and navigate to the settings. Then search for or find the Certificates Manager. Once you've located and opened the Certificates Manager, find the Import option. One at a time, navigate to and select the root and intermediate certificates we exported earlier, and import them into the browser. If prompted, select what the certificate will be used to identify. Repeat the process for the other exported certificate file. With the self-signed certificate authority now trusted, if we navigate to a website using SSL with certificates created from this CA, the website should be trusted, and will no longer be prompted with the warning message that the site uses untrusted certificates.